today, you've likely scanned the QR code on your media cabinet and you're looking for some instruction on how to change it. I'm going to help you get through that today. My name is Tim Jury, Service Manager with Randazzo Heating and Cooling. I've been with Randazzo since 2012 and I've changed thousands of these filters. Today I'd like to show you how to change your AprilAire 210 media filter. The filter media we're going to be changing today is the AprilAire stock number 210. Now this filter will fit several different media cabinets and we'll list those here. These filter medias do have a 1-year life printed on the box. However, they should be checked between 6 months to a year and changed a little bit more often depending on the condition of the home. Pets and smokers, maybe a touch more often. So the first thing we want to do is take the door off and remove the old filter. So we're going to grab the door at the top. Obviously it'll be connected to your furnace and ductwork, but ours is freestanding here. But grab the door at the top, pull it off. Then you're going to see the filter here with the track on top, track on bottom. That should slide out to you. And this is a collapsible accordion style filter is what we term this, okay? So when you receive the new one, it'll be in a box and you'll just slide it out in one piece. Pay attention to the arrow. You want the arrow to point towards the furnace. So we'll say our furnace is on the side that I'm on before we install. You're going to have a spot for your tracks here and here. They will slide into your track plate on top and on bottom. Slide this all the way in. Go ahead and get your door. You got a couple of hooks here on the bottom. Apply a little pressure, snap it back in place, and that's how you change the AprilAire 210 media. If changing your own filter isn't your cup of tea, give us a call and ask about Randazzo Air Care. We'll come out and do it for you. It's our home comfort maintenance program. It includes waived diagnostic fees in the event that you do have an outage. You can earn replacement equity, 2 20-point inspections, one on the AC, one on the furnace, special pricing on all repairs, 10% off accessory upgrades, and 10% off furnace filters and humidifier pads. That's $179 per year or $15 a month. That's less than what most people pay a month for Netflix.
With the name